Emankosini, Thokozani, Kamaku. Thank you for joining me for another video. If you are new, welcome, Makosi. I just, because you're not the only one, there's a brother who asked, who was wondering maybe why I was burping, okay? And you're probably not the only one, so I thought I should just do a video about why I burp, okay? It's ancestral burping, all right? I burp because I am an ancestral vessel. So I'm going to just read the reply that my sister Ukoko gave our dear brother, which is very correct. So I'm gonna reiterate it now. To me, that belching is a good sign, and it's not her doing it. It's the divine spirit in her agreeing to what she's saying. That it is true. I'll let her teach us more. Yes, exactly that. It is spirit doing it. Spirit agreeing with me, but also spirit actually speaking through me. So this channel, you must know, it's the Ancestors channel. I only opened it because they said I should. Okay, number one. Number two, I think to expound on Koko's answer, what is spirit? Okay, we must define what is spirit. So Job 33 verse 4 says, "The Spirit of God hath made me, and the breath of the Almighty hath given me life." Okay, so God breathed, life. God breathed the spirit of man into his nostrils, okay. So even when you speak right now, or as I'm speaking now, I speak and I'm exhaling as I'm speaking, right? Exhaling. Job 32 verse 8 says, "But there is a spirit in man, and the breath of the Almighty hath given them understanding." Meaning, the spirit of man is given by the breath of Almighty, and comes with it the ability to reason. So the breath of the Almighty has given man that spirit to reason, or given man's spirit the ability to reason. Okay. So when we speak, we exhale. All right. So when I say that I am an ancestral vessel, okay, this burping is proof positive that the ancestors are alive. In fact, you must understand that when I burp, it could be, you would never know, but unless I say it, it could be that spirit is agreeing with me. Ancestors are agreeing with what I'm saying, or that in actual fact, it was not me speaking, it was the ancestors speaking. So when I burp, it is evidence of them exhaling after they speak. You understand? Makhosi, siyathokoza. Be blessed. Siyabonga Puti for teaching us. And Gogo, thank you for helping us understand. Yamakhosini, thokozani.